啦，咁咧今日咧就會嚟同大家做一份 past paper 嘅。咁咧做呢個 past paper 之前咧，咁就要講一講有一個網站好好用嘅，咁就叫Physics and Maths Tutor。咁咧個網址喺度啦，咁我陣間會 send 去呢個大群。咁咧入邊有齊晒，即係佢唔止 Phy 同 Maths 嘅，佢 Phy Chem Bio Maths 甚至 Econ 咧，咁佢都有齊晒啲IGCSE 嘅 past paper。咁仲有啲 revision notes 嘅，即係你可以by topics 咁樣温啦。咁所以咧呢個網站好好用嘅，佢一直跟到你嘅 form 6啊。咁咧因為呢個 past paper 啲題目比較細嘅，咁所以咧最好就唔好用電話睇啊，即係用 iPad 或者用電腦睇，會比較好啲。好啦，咁我就隨便揾咗一份啫嚇，咁我唔會揾啲太近年份嘅，因為嗰啲希望你留翻自己做，等你有啲 concept。咁咧你做嘅時候咧，咁有幾個嘢要注意嘅。咁譬如你 down past paper 嘅時候咧，咁你 down paper 1或者 2都好咧，咁你記住 down PR。咁咧因為呢個係 for IEL 嘅，你見唔見到？即係International GCSE。跟住如果你 down paper 1 PR 咧，咁嗰啲就係 for 我哋考啦，我唔知係 for 亞洲考定點樣，反正我哋就係考呢個有 R 嘅卷啦。OK，咁咧你要知道有2個鐘一份卷有2個鐘嘅，咁其實咧都比較趕嘅，你真係唔好以為好多時間啦。跟住你就 mark 低自己做咗邊份卷啊，呢個好重要啊，因為咧後面你就會亂晒啦。mark 低自己做咗邊份卷，跟住咧到時咧你考嘅時候咧，咁你記得帶呢個 ruler 啦、protractor 啦，同埋呢個 calculator。因為咧你有時咧要 measure 呢啲 angles 嘅，即係佢有啲題目咧，可能咧你覺得佢俾唔夠 data，你其實唔係咁嘅，即係你攞攞把間尺出嚟度，或者攞個量角器出嚟度咁樣啦。OK，嗱咁咧佢就話啦，use black ink 或者呢個 ballpoint pen 咁咧佢就 or 咁，所以唔知，但係大家最好都係用黑色啦。好啦，咁咧成份卷咧就係120分嘅，呢份paper one 咧係長過 paper two 嘅。咁我哋講完 paper one，再同大家講 paper two 就需要注意嘅事項。好啦，咁咧呢個就係你考 IGCSE 嘅時候咧，咁佢會有附帶嘅 equation 啦。咁咧就係得咁多嘅啫。你唔好以為咧佢全部 equation 都有咧，唔係嘅。咁咧佢淨係得呢一部分嘅 equation 啦。咁所以咧有啲咧你都係要自己背嘅。譬如 kinetic energy 等於 1/2 mv square 啊，咩 potential energy 等於 mgh 嗰啲turning effect 嗰啲moment 嗰啲你都係要自己背嘅。咁不過嗰啲 equation 咧都係好簡單嘅，即係唔會出啲特別難嘅，即係佢唔會出啲 mu0 I1 I2 over 2 pi r times L 嗰啲，佢唔會嘅，佢就係會出嗰啲 F 等於 VIL 嗰啲咁嘅題目嘅啫。好啦，咁咧而家前面嘅嘢講完啦，咁咧我哋就開始試下做呢份 past paper。咁我一路做咧，因為第一份啊嘛，咁你又俾啲耐性睇晒佢啦。因為一路做咧會講解下你做嘅時候咧要有啲咩需要注意嘅。咁呢個第一題咧就A 嗰度咧冇乜需要注意啦。咁draw a straight line from its electrical component to its correct symbol. So one has been done for you。咁咧你自己練啦。咁我陣間就同大家對 answer。呢個錯咗真係冚自己2巴嚇。好啦，跟住 B1咧，咁可以講下啦。So name an electrical component whose resistance decreases when it is moved into brighter light。咁咧，你見到咧，你睇住完題目之後咧，你第一時間就要睇呢個分 ，OK？咁如果係1分咧，咁你淨係需要答1個 point 就得㗎啦 ，OK？咁當然啦，呢個淨係叫你 name 一個 component 啫，咁你當然淨係得1個 point 啦。咁乜嘢係越光嘅時候咧，佢嘅 resistance 就越細㗎，咁就係 light dependent resistor 啦，記唔記得？light dependent resistor。嘅2，name an electrical component whose resistance decrease as its temperature increase。咁咧呢個就係 thermistor 啦。咁希望你記得啦嚇。咁記得第一件事睇分，睇完題目之後睇分。好啦，咁3秒之後就去下一版。如果你未做晒，你就按暫停。3、2、1。咁咧呢個 answer 咧，因為冇乜特別，咁所以我就唔講啦。咁3秒之後就去下一版啦。3、2、1。咁咧每一題都係啦，希望你喺聽我講之前咧，你可以自己做啦。咁咧呢題你話有學過又得，冇學過又得嘅，因為你form 4都學過。但係咧大部分嘢咧，你用常識去答就得㗎啦。So these sentences about astronomy. Complete the sentences by writing the words in the blank spaces. The Earth is an astronomical object. So one astronomical object smaller than the Earth is 咁你揾一樣細過地球嘅嘢係乜嘢？咁咪 moon 啦，係咪？月亮咁咪細過地球咯。Two astronomical objects larger than the Earth 譬如 sun 或者同埋 galaxy。咁當然咧，你應該可以答 Jupiter 嘅，咁或者你可以答 universe 啊。So the Milky Way is the name to our galaxy。我哋而家住緊嗰個銀河系咧就叫做 Milky Way 啦。希望咧你可以背咗呢個字啊，因為佢有時會問嘅。So the diagram shows the path followed by a comet as it moves around the sun. A, B, C, D, and E are points on the cosmic orbit. So state the name of the force that causes the comet to orbit the sun. 好啦，咁呢個係咩 force 啊？就係 gravitational force。Gravitational force. Okay, so at which point shown is the force of the comet greatest? 咁咧最近太陽嗰個 point，咁當然佢嘅 gravitational force 就最大啦，所以就係 B 啦。So draw an arrow at point D to show the directions of force acting on the comet. 咁咧 D 記住咧嗰個 force 咧，咁咪永遠都 point toward the sun 啦，係咪？因為呢個係 gravity 嚟㗎嘛，咁所以咧個 point toward each other 嘅。At which of the points shown does the comet have the greatest kinetic energy？ 咁咧 greatest kinetic energy 係咪即係行得最快啊？好啦，咁咧邊一個 point 嗰個地球咧會行得最快啊？咁其實就係 point B 啦，因為你越近太陽嘅時候咧 ，gravitational force 越大，咁咧佢就會喐得越快啊。咁咧所以 E 咧就係最慢嘅。你越近呢個太陽咧，咁就喐得越快，咁所以越遠咧就係越慢。好啦，咁咧呢度仲有幾個 answer 嘅，即係除咗啱啱講嘅 moon 啊或者其他嘢之外，咁咧有好多嘢都細過地球啦，譬如呢個係隕石啦，呢兩個都係隕石啦。跟住咧呢個係衛星啦，或者人造衛星啦 ，artificial satellite。月亮啦，一個彗星啦，即係咩哈雷彗星啊、掃把星嗰啲，或者細過地球嘅 planet，即係你可以講 Mercury、Venus 或者 Mars。咁仲有啲咧，呢啲你未學嘅，咁但係咧好快都會學㗎啦。White dwarf planet，即係矮行星啊，即係我哋嘅冥王星啦，好慘啊，佢已經唔係八大行星之一啦。Neutron star 同 white dwarf 咧，我哋之後就會學㗎啦。咁乜嘢係大過地球啊？咁咧 universe 啦、galaxy 啦、solar system 啦、star 或者 sun。咁咧有好多星球都大過地球嘅，咁你可以答啦。咁Milky Way 係我哋住嘅 galaxy。咁下面嗰啲我有講解啦，咁所以冇問題。1、2、3，下一版。好啦，跟住就到第3題啦。好啦，呢題好啲咯，因為啲分數咧唔係淨係1啦，咁所以咧你要知道要答幾多個 point 啊。The diagram shows some gas particles in a container。咁咧呢個活塞咧就 can be removed in or out to change the volume of gas。Okay, so add arrows to the diagram to show the random motion of the gas particles。好啦，咁咧佢已經同你講咗呢個係一個 random motion 啊。咁咧你點樣可以表示到一個 random motion 啊？就係呢啲 gas particles 咧向住唔同方向行，係咪？咁就係 random motion 啊。咁呢啲箭嘴咧最好就有長有短，點解啊？啲箭嘴有長有短，因為咧佢長啲就代表 velocity 大啲，短啲咧就代表 velocity 細啲。咁因為佢係 random motion 啊嘛，咁所以佢有啲 particles 快，有啲 particles 慢。OK， 跟住啲 particles 咧向住唔同嘅方向。咁咧記住呢個 gas particles 咧或者 molecules 咧，咁佢係move straight forward 嘅。咁除非佢撞到其他嘢，咁喺呢度我哋唔需要話佢撞到其他嘢噶嘛。咁所以咧你去 represent 佢嘅 directions and velocity 嘅時候咧，咁就係random direction and random length 咁就得啦，咁就代表咗佢有 random motion。B. Explain how the motions of gas particles produces a pressure inside the container。嗱，呢一個超級重要，咁咧你聽完呢段片之後咧，你就要背咗佢啦。OK， 咁咧基本上每2年就出一次啦，呢個係送分嘅。咁咧有3分啊嘛，係咪？ 咁你就諗啦 ，explain how the motion of gas particles produces a pressure inside the container。咁首先 pressure 係乜嘢啊？因為 pressure 咧係 force over A，咁點解咧呢個 particles motion 咧會令到咧個 container 有 pressure 咧？就係因為咧呢個 particles 咧 collide with the wall of the container 或者 collide with the container 啦，係咪？好啦，咁咧當佢 collide with container 嘅時候咧，咁佢就會有一個 change in momentum over time，係咪？因為 F equals to mv minus mu，咁咧佢碰撞到呢個container 之後咧，咁佢個 momentum 就會改變，跟住咧就會 create 咗 force 出嚟，係咪？跟住咧 force over area 咧，咁就係一個 pressure 啦。好啦，咁所以咧其實呢個 pressure 點樣嚟嘅咧？簡單啲講就係一個 particles 咧碰撞到呢個 container 之後咧，咁佢就 apply force to the container，係咪？跟住呢個 force 咧 over A 咧就等於呢個 pressure 啦。咁咧當然呢個係我簡單咁話俾你聽嘅原理啦。咁咧陣間後面咧你就要背咗呢個 mark scheme 啊。咁咧見到 mark scheme 嘅時候咧，會再解釋一次嘅。好啦，跟住 state what would happen to the pressure if you push the pistons into the container without changing the temperature。好啦，咁你點樣解釋咧？咁就係當然咧，你 decrease 個 volumes 嘅時候 ，pressure 就會 increase 啦。咁但係邊條式可以話到俾你聽？P1 V1 equals to P2 V2。但係咧，你記住咧，用呢條式嘅時候咧 ，temperature 係要 constant 啦。咁同埋咧，呢個 number of moles 或者呢個 mass of the gas molecules 咧係唔可以改變嘅。OK，doesn't change。呢個咧係不改變 ，doesn't change 個變字點寫？係試一先。呢條式其實原本係乜嘢嚟嘅？其實佢原本係 PV 定 nRT 啊嘛，咁所以 n 係唔可以改變嘅。記唔記得有學過呢條式係 P1 V1 over T1 equals to P2 V2 over T2。好，咁而家題目同你講咧 ，without changing temperature 啊嘛，咁所以咧 temperature 會弱咗，咁所以 P1 V1 等於 P2 V2。咁咧你就答 pressure increase 就得。咁但係記住用呢條式咧，就係呢個 number of mole 同埋呢個 mass of the gas 咧係唔可以改變嘅。咁所以咧，如果你無啦啦泵住啲氣入嚟咧，咁咧你就唔可以用呢條式㗎啦。呢條式係講緊同一個 gas 你喺唔同情況之下嘅 pressure、volume 或者 temperature 嘅改變咯。咁但係唔可以攞嚟 compare 兩個 gas， 或者你中途加咗啲 gas 或者有個 gas leakage 咧係唔可以用呢條式。When the gas in the container is heated, the piston moves outwards. So place ticks against the three correct statements。咁咧就啱嘅就 tick 啦，但係佢錯嘅冇話交叉，咁你又唔好多手啦。咁佢有3分啊嘛，即係有3個 tick 啦，係咪？咁你揾2個一定錯嘅出嚟就得啦。The gas particles get bigger。咁咧呢個肯定就係錯啦，係咪？因為呢個 gas particles 係唔會變大嘅，只不過佢佔嘅 volume 變大啫。The mass of the gas particles stay the same。呢個當然啱啦。因為佢冇多咗gas 又冇少咗 gas。咁咧 the gas particles move faster 係啦，因為咧你加熱咗佢。咁咧因為你加熱佢嘅時候咧，佢會喐得快咗。其實咧點解你加熱嘅時候咧個 volume 會變大？因為你加熱啲 gas particles 咧，咁咧佢temperature 咧就係 the measure of average kinetic energy 啊嘛，所以你加熱佢嘅時候咧，呢啲 particles 嘅 V 咧會變大嘅 ，particles 嘅 V 會變大，跟住咧佢 apply 喺呢度個 force 係咪變大咗？咁所以咧佢就可以推開佢啦 ，volume 咧就會increase。咁所以咧呢個 gas particles 咧係會 move faster 嘅。咁當然咧，如果你呢個過程 temperature 係唔改變咧，咁個velocity 就唔會改變啦嚇。The average distance between the gas particles increases。咁咧呢句就係好含蓄咁話俾你聽啦 ，volume increase 啦，咁就啱啦。咁咧 the temperature of gas decrease。咁呢個冇可能啦，係咪？你加熱嘅 temperature 點會 decrease 咧？所以咧，如果你呢一個唔知啱唔啱都好咧，但係因為你知道1同5咧一定係錯啦，咁所以第3個咧你剔咗佢就得啦。OK。點解我話咧唔一定會 move faster 咧？因為你加熱嘅時候咧，其實佢都可以remain at same temperature 嘅。咁譬如你係煲滾緊嗰啲水咧，啲水 boiling 緊係咪？咁咧你 provide energy 咧，其實係 break through the bonding 啫。 咁所以咧個 temperature 冇 increase 嘅話咧，咁個 kinetic energy 咧就唔會 increase 㗎啦。gas 有時都會有呢種情況嘅，即係你 provide 嗰啲 energy 咧，咁佢全部攞晒嚟 expand 咯，即係佢攞晒啲 energy 嚟變大，但係冇變快咯。咁但係因為呢個情況咧，1同5都唔啱，咁所以第3個就啱。咁 IGCSE 通常唔會諗到咁複雜嘅。咁佢加熱嘅話咧，如果佢冇講呢個 temperature stay the same 啦，咁你就可以當佢呢個 particles 有變快咯。同埋佢一開始係有變快嘅，真係因為佢一開始咧個 particles 變快咗，佢先可以撞開呢支針管係咪？首先咧 particles 嘅 velocity 變大，跟住咧最後佢撞開呢個針筒咧，令到呢個 volume 變大啦。咁所以呢個 gas particles 咧一開始係 move faster，但係咧佢變大完之後咧個 temperature 咧可能會唔改變嘅。咁喺呢個情況之下咧，如果 temperature 冇再改變咧，咁 velocity 就唔會再改變啦。好啦，咁咧呢個就係嗰個 answer 啦。咁咧呢個就係啱啱畫個圖啊，唔知你記唔記得咧？即係畫嗰啲箭嘴去標示呢個 random motion 啊。咁咧下面呢個就係你要背啦。咁咧你最好按暫停而家背咗佢，或者抄喺你本 notebooks 度。OK。咁咧呢個 particles 咧 collide with the container 啦，係咪 ？collide with the walls of the containers。跟住咧就有 force producer。OK。跟住咧pressure 咧就等於 force over A。咁咧你答呢條式咧都係有分嘅。咁咧你呢度有即係因為佢淨係佔3分啫嘛，咁你有4個 point，你答到其中3個 point 咧，咁就已經滿分啦。所以好重要嘅，即係你睇一睇條題目之後咧，睇佢幾多分係好重要嘅，因為話俾你聽你答幾多個 point 啊呢個。當然咧你最好就有咁長寫咁長啊，即係你將你學到嘅嘢，即係唔好寫廢話，你將你學到嘅嘢寫晒出嚟，咁佢會幫你執翻3個啱嘅 point 出嚟嘅，好好嘅。錯嗰啲佢通常唔扣分嘅。咁咧所以咧你寫到好長好長，跟住有啱嘅咧咁就得啦。當然你唔好長到9唔搭8啦，啲人可能唔睇啊，你有啱個 point 都。好啦，跟住咧呢個 teacher demonstrates different types of wave。咁he uses a spring to demonstrate the longitudinal waves。咁咧記住 longitudinal waves 咧係咩 waves 啊？其實就係呢個particles motion 咧 parallel to the directions of wave。咁就係呢個 longitudinal wave 啦。咁咧transverse wave 咧咁就係呢個 particles 咧嘅 vibration 咧係 perpendicular to the directions of wave。咁譬如最簡單，如果你一個 particles 咧上下咁樣震係咪？咁咧呢個 wave 向右喐咧，咁呢個就係 transverse wave 啦。如果咧你個 wave 咧向右喐，呢個 particles 咧又係左右咁樣震咧，呢個就係 longitudinal waves。So draw arrows on the diagram to show the directions in which the teachers move his hands。咁如果呢個 teachers 咧係想 create 呢個 longitudinal wave 咧，咁所以咧佢隻手咧就要左右咁喐啊。如果佢想 produce 一個transverse wave 咧，咁佢就要上下咁樣喐咯。OK， so give an example of the longitudinal wave。咁咧最簡單就係 sound wave 啦。The teacher then demonstrates transverse waves. He fixes a vertical rock in a pond. So he places a small wood ring on the rock. Okay, so the ring flows on the water and then moves up and down as wave to pass. So on the diagram, draw a line to show one wavelength. Okay, so label your line with letter W。咁咧由 crest 到 crest 咧，咁就係一個 wavelength 啦。當然咧你可以 mark 由 trough to trough 都得嘅 ，OK。甚至乎咧，如果你大膽啲咧，或者你十分之得閒咧，你可以 mark 呢度到呢度啦，係咪？甚至乎咧，你再得閒啲咧，你可以 mark 呢度到至呢度得嘅。咁咧唔會阻止你，咁但係咧最好就係 mark crest to crest 或者 trough to trough 啦。The distance from P to Q is 5 centimeter。咁咧 P 喺呢度啊 ，Q 喺呢度係5 centimeter。So determine the amplitude of the wave。咁咧由 P to Q 喺呢度啊嘛，咁呢度有幾多 amplitude 啊？咁咧要記住呢度係2個 amplitude，由呢度到呢度係 A 係咪？咁所以 2A 等於5 centimeters，咁所以嘅 amplitude 咧就等於2.5 centimeter。記得咧要將個 answer 填翻入去啊，到時唔好黐線啊。So the rudder ring reach P every 15 seconds。咁咧 P 係喺呢度最高個點可能你睇得唔清楚。咁咧 P 係最高個點啦。So calculate the frequency of the waves 咁咧佢每15秒就去一次呢個 P，咁即係其實係乜嘢啊？即係佢個 period 係15秒啊。咁但係咧，你而家唔係要求呢個 period，你要求 frequency。咁所以 frequency 咧就等於1/15Hertz。呢個 frequency 嘅 unit 係 Hertz 或者係 per second 啦。咁所以就係1/15 per second。Okay? Explain how the movements of the root ring demonstrate that this wave is transverse wave。咁就好簡單啦，因為咧呢個 particle is moving up and down, and the wave is moving toward the right hand side, right? The wave direction is moving toward the right hand side, so that the directions of particles perpendicular to the directions of wave, so that is a transverse wave. Okay, so you will see the model answer later. So the wave shown is a water wave. Give a different example of transverse wave. So it's a very common example that electromagnetic wave is a transverse wave. 咁咧我哋所講嘅電磁波啦，譬如 radio wave，唔記得晒 visible light、UV light、infrared radiations、gamma ray、X-ray 嗰啲，全部都係呢個 transverse wave 啦。咁所以咧，你是但打一種 electromagnetic wave，咁就係 transverse wave 啦。Okay, so here I show the answer。咁咧，你隻手咧就要左右喐啦。咁因為 because you want to create a longitudinal wave。And then the examples of the longitudinal wave is sound, shootable horizontal light from peak to peak 或者 trough to trough。呢個就係啱啱叫你 label 一個 wave。咁咧就我叫你由 crest to crest 啦 ，crest 就即係 peak 啦。Okay, so the amplitude is 2.5 centimeter, and then the frequency is 1/t. Okay, so the ring oscillates perpendicular to the directions of waves, so it's a transverse wave. This is the definitions of the transverse wave, so you better memorize this definition. So any suitable examples are named of the electromagnetic waves. 可以答咩啊 ？Wave on a rope。咁咧你唔好答啲咁黐線嘅嘢啦，咁你就乖乖地答 electromagnetic wave 就得啦。Okay, so the diagram shows a type of power station, so used to generate electricity. 咁咧，你而家應該要知道咧，所有 power station 咧，咁佢係點樣攞嚟 generate electricity 咧？咁其實就係 turn 呢個 turbine 啦，係咪？呢個 key point 啫，就係只要你揾到嘢咧 ，turn 呢個 turbine，而呢個 turbine 即係 is connected to the generators 咧，咁就可以 give out 呢個 electricity 啦。咁喺呢個情況咧，呢個係 geothermal power station 啊嘛，係咪？佢而家問啦 ，What type of renewable energy sources does this power station use？ 咁咧呢個係 geothermal power station，geothermal。咁咧之後咧會拍一段片咧，係嚟講晒所有 renewable energy sources 嘅。咁因為我仲整合緊啲資料咁所以拍咗呢個 past paper 先。name another renewable resource。咁咧就 solar power 啦，係咪？咁咧你應該而家就算你冇學過，你都知道仲有啲咩 renewable energy sources 嘅。咁咧記住咧 nuclear power 咧係 non-renewable energy sources 嘅。點解咧？因為nuclear power 咧，譬如你用 uranium 咧，有啲 uranium 係可以俾你用晒嘅，咁所以佢係 non-renewable。OK， 咁咧呢個圖咧個原理係乜嘢咧？咁咧你泵啲水落去啊嘛，係咪？咁下面咧就係一啲好乾同好熱嘅岩石，咁咧就會將呢啲水咧變咗做 steam。咁呢個 steam 咧就可以 turn 呢個 turbine 啊。咁咧 turn 咗呢個 turbine 之後咧有個 condenser 啊嘛，記唔記得咩 condensation 啊？咁就係 from gas to liquid。咁咧佢變翻 liquid 之後咧，咁咪就落翻去，跟住又變翻 gas，又上嚟 turn turbine。咁就係 repeat this cycle to generate the electricity. So this is the principles of the geothermal power station. Okay, so the cold water is pumped down into the hot, dried rock. Describe the energy transfer at each state of the electricity generations from this resource. 咁咧你自己可以諗下啦，即係你而家 key point 咧要擺喺呢個energy transfer 度。好啦，咁譬如咧，你一開始落去嘅係 water 啊嘛，係咪？咁嘅 energy transfer 係咩啊？就係 thermal energy transfer from the rock to water。OK， 跟住呢個 water 就變咗做 steam 啦，就變咗 kinetic energies of steam。 咁咧呢個 kinetic energies of steam 咧就攞嚟 turn 呢個 turbine。kinetic energies of steam 咧就 used to turn the turbine，就係 become the kinetic energies of the turbine 係咪？跟住咧呢個 kinetic energies of the turbine 咧就 convert to the kinetic energies of the generator。跟住呢個 kinetic energies of the generator 咧就會 becomes the electrical power。咁咧，所以如果你明咗呢個flow 咧，咁其實咧你好簡單就可以寫到佢呢個 energy transfer 嘅 path 啊。OK，咁我哋睇一睇後面咁。好啦，咁咧呢個 station 咧叫做 thermal power station 啦。咁其他嗰啲renewable resource 咧，而家就可以背咗佢啦。咁咧第一個就係 wind power，係咪？跟住 hydroelectric 咧，即係水力發電，即係我哋咩三峽大壩嗰啲發電啦。waves power 就係用呢個海浪好得意嘅，有兩嚿嘢咧黐住喺度，跟住啲海浪喺度喐嘅時候咧，嗰兩嚿嘢係咪喐啊？咁就可以攞嚟發電啦。tidal power 就係因為每日有兩次潮漲潮退啊嘛，係咪？咁咧就會有水位高同水位低，咁我哋用呢個水位高低嘅落差咧，咁就可以攞嚟發電啦。佢嘅 solar power 咧，咁就係攞太陽能電池啦。呢個 biofuel 就係咧而家好興嘅，即係種粟米將佢變咗做通常係變做 alcohol 啦，即係變做乙醇，跟住攞嚟燒啊，呢個就叫 biofuels。咁咧呢幾個咧都係renewable energy sources 嚟嘅，咁咧你可以背咗佢啦。咁咧呢個energy transform inside the thermal power station 咧，咁就係呢度啦，應該同我啱啱講嘅差唔多嘅。咁你答4個 point 就得啦，係咪？第一 thermal energy is transferred from the hot rock to the cold water。咁咧呢個water molecule 即係 gain kinetic energy，因為嘅 temperature increase 嘛。咁咧呢個 steam gains kinetic energy as it is heated by the rock。呢個係 gravitational potential energy。gravitational potential energies of the steam increases as it gains high， 即係佢when it rises then it gains the gravitational potential energy and the turbines gain the kinetic energies from the steam and the generators transfer the kinetic energy into electrical energy. So the electrical energy is transferred from pumped into the water。咁咧，因為你有個泵喺度啊嘛，呢個太難睇到啦，係咪？即係應該正常人咧唔會留意呢個 energy transfer 嘅。咁但係如果你咁細心咧留意到，咁你又可以答呢個 point 啦。咁但係因為答4個 point 就得噶啦，咁所以咧唔使擔心咧會答錯同答漏。好啦，咁咧呢題咧我哋已經做過噶啦，其實咁你而家可以自己諗翻啦，係咪啊？咁咧就係個 water 就係咁樣啦，即係越低嘅咧就越遠咁你自己做啦。OK 呢個咧我哋都做過啦，咁咧所以我而家唔講啦。answer 喺呢度，如果你唔記得咗咧，咁你自己按暫停睇 answer。咁我要飛啦，3、2、1飛。咁咧呢題就係同實驗有關嘅題目啦。A student uses a semicircular glass block to investigate the refraction in glass. So list 3 other pieces of equipment that he needs for his investigation。咁你睇住下面嗰圖啦，你睇住下面嗰圖咧，你諗一諗我仲需要啲乜嘢咧先可以度到呢個 refractive index 咧？咁首先你要知道 refractive index 嘅式啦。咁譬如咧呢個係 N2，呢個 N1 係咪？咁佢由空氣入去呢個 glass box 啊嘛。咁所以咧條式就係 sin I over sin R equals to N2 over N1。希望你記得啦條式。跟住 equals to lambda 1 over lambda 2 equals to V1 over V2。咁咧 frequency 咧係唔會改變嘅，即係 after refraction 之後嘅 frequency 係唔會改變嘅。OK， 咁 refractive index 越大，記住呢度係2，呢度係1啊。refractive index 越大咧，咁 velocity 就越細啊。OK，lambda 都越細。refractive index 越大 ，velocity 同 lambda 咧都會變細嘅。好啦，咁咧如果你而家淨係得一個 glass block， 咁你需要啲咩咧？你需要一個 light source 啊嘛，係咪？咁就可以係一個 laser pointer 啦，可以係一個 laser pointer。咁咧你仲需要啲乜嘢咧？你需要一個度到 angle 嘅嘢啦，譬如一個 protractor。OK， 跟住咧你仲要知道咧呢條光咧究竟去咗邊度啊嘛，係咪？咁咧你就需要一個 ruler。 OK，咁咧就3個額外嘅 apparatus。咁咧按he shines a ray of light into the block point P as shown. So P is the middle of the flat surface. So on the diagram, draw the normal at P. 咁 normal 咧，記住 angles of incidence 同 angles of reflection 咧係 the angles between the incident light and normal. OK，咁呢個 normal 咧就係light perpendicular to the surface. And then measure the angles of incidence and angle of reflection. 咁 measure 啊嘛，咁呢個時候你就需要攞呢個 projector 出嚟咁度一度啦。So explain why the weight of light changes direction at P。咁咧就係因為點解佢 change direction 啊？即係 I 同 R 唔一樣，咁點解 change direction 咧？就係因為呢個 glass 嘅 refractive index 咧就同呢個 air 嘅 refractive index 係唔一樣嘅。咁唔一樣嘅時候咧，呢個 velocity 就會唔一樣。OK， 咁呢個 light 咧就會 change direction 啦。好啦，咁咧呢度就係畫圖題啦。咁咧 IGCSE 嘅畫圖咧，咁就有啲陰人嘅。點解咧 ？Plot a graph of sin I against sin R， 係咪？咁咧如果你睇到呢個 against 咧，咁就正常應該係 y against x 噶嘛。但係咧呢個 sin I 咧，你見到咧呢個 sin I 應該係 independent variables，R 應該係 dependent variables， 因為咧你做呢個 experiment 嘅時候咧，你照入去嗰個 angle 咧係你自己決定嘅。即係呢個 angle of incidence 係你自己決定咯，咁所以咧I 咧應該係 independent variables，R 應該係 dependent variables 咯。咁所以你畫嘅時候咧 ，I 就應該係 x axis，I 應該係 sin I 應該係 x axis，sin R 應該係 y axis，OK？但係咧好多時候咧，你倒轉咗 x y 咧 ，IGCSE 都係唔扣分。咁但係有一樣嘢會扣分，譬如你畫嗰條線咧。如果你個 scale 攞得唔好咧，咁可能咧你咁樣就畫完啊嘛，係咪？即係譬如你個 scale 攞得太大，呢度就已經係1啦，個 I 呢度 sin I 已經係1啦，咁咪畫到呢度就停咗咯。咁咧佢就會扣你分啦。點解咧？因為喺 IGCSE 度咧，如果俾咗啲 box 你咧，你要最少用超過一半至得嘅，即係你嗰條線咧最少要超過個圖嘅一半，你先會有分咯。咁咧呢個要記住啦，畫嘅圖咧就係最緊要畫大啲。咁咧呢個圖咧就唔同你畫啦，咁咧因為好簡單咧，你咪自己畫就得啦。咁咧你要 draw a best fit line， 咁記住 best fit line 啫係一條直線嚟嘅，即係唔好連埋啲 point 咧，好似一個股票圖咁樣。OK，so state the relationship between the refractive index, angles of incidence and angle of reflection。咁咧因為sin I over sin R equals to N2 over N1 係咪？咁咧，因為呢個 N1 咧係 air 嚟嘅，咁所以咧就等於1啦。呢個等於1，咁所以咧就 equals to refractive index of glass 啦。咁基本上咧 IGCSE 咧咁 N1 咧大部分都係1嚟嘅，即係佢總之是但一個基本上會 air， 即係佢可以由 glass 出 air 或者 air 入 glass。咁但係咧通常有一個會係1嚟嘅。So use your graph to find the refractive index。咁我哋啱啱係點畫㗎？我哋啱啱咧呢個係 sin R， 呢個係 sin I 啊嘛，係咪？咁咧我哋要揾呢個 refractive index 啦。咁如果個 slope 呢度個 slope 係咩啊？個 slope 喺呢度咧係 sin R over sin I。咁咧所以咧等於1 over n， 咁所以咧你求咗個 slope 之後咧就等於1 over n， 跟住你調翻佢咧，跟住就可以揾到呢個 refractive index 喺呢個圖。OK， 咁咧你啱啱仲需要啲咩 extra 嘅apparatus 啊？咁就 paper pen 或者 pencil 啦 ，protractor ruler 一嚿，同埋呢個 light source。呢個 ruler 有咩用咧？其實就係譬如有啲好大個嘅 protractor 係咁樣嘅，咁咧條光可能嚟到呢度咧，唔係睇得好清楚啦。跟住呢個時候咧就需要一個 ruler， 係咪？跟住就可以攞嚟俾你睇呢個 reading 啦。咁點解要一個 pin 啫？因為佢有時咧就會話篤住佢。即係篤住呢個 point， 等你知 laser 咧可以比較容易照落去。OK， 跟住呢個就係啱啱叫你用 projector measure 個 angle 啦。呢個就係話俾你啱啱問你點解會 change direction， 咁就係因為你而家由一個 medium 去另一個 medium， 所以咧就 speed 或者 wavelength 就改變咗，咁就會 change 呢個 direction。 你聽落好似冇關事咁啊，係咪？咁但係就係因為 Snell's law 啦，即係 psi I over psi r 嗰條式話咗俾你聽，如果有 change in wavelength 或者 velocity 咧，咁就會有 change in I 或者 R。咁咧佢就背後嘅原因係好複雜嘅，即係你大學如果學電磁學先有機會學到點解一個 light 啫 pass through the other mediums 嘅時候咧會 change direction。OK，咁咧記住呢度咧，你個圖咧最少要 use more than 50%。咁呢個 best fit line 係記住一條 line 唔係咁樣嘅 ，OK？咁咧記住呢條線咧要 direct zero， 要 direct zero 點解咧？就係因為咧，當你如果有一個 light 咧 perpendicular， 咁呢個時候 angle of incidence 係幾多啊 ？angle of incidence 係0啊嘛，係咪？好啦，咁但係咧佢都會通過呢個 glass 噶嘛，咁所以咧佢打直入去，咁呢個時候 angle of reflection 係0咯，咁所以 angle of incidence 係0咧 ，angle of reflection 咧都係0嘅，咁記住，所以要 pass through the origin。咁呢個 refractive index 咧就係等於 psi I over psi r 啦，咁所以咧喺你個圖度咧就係一個 one over slope 啦，呢個係 r psi r over 呢個 psi I。咁你就我估咧90%嘅人都冇自己計㗎啦，係咪？咁你計完之後咧就有一個 range 嘅，咁希望你唔好 out of range。咁咧又到送分題嘅時間啦。The table shows information about three electrical appliances。咁咧就係呢3個啦。咁咧呢個 column 就係 power current。So state the relationship between power current and voltage. P equals to VI。唔識你就冚住2巴啦嚇。So calculate the current in the televisions. Assume the main voltage is 230。我計我都覺得自己弱智啊，自己計啊。So the photographs shows the different cables used for the cloths, irons and the lamp。咁咧燈就係咁啦，呢個點啊？燙斗就係咁啦。So suggest why the wires in the cloths, ironed cables are thicker than the wires in the lamp cables。好啊，咁點解呢個要粗啲咧？咁其實就係因為咩啊？自己諗下，因為 iron 係咪用多啲 current 啊？係咪？咁咧你粗啲嘅線咧，你 thicker 嘅線 resistance 就會降低 ，OK？咁所以咧佢可以個 current 就大啲啦，因為佢 power 咧都係大啲，因為1分啫嚇，咁所以應該答咗一個 point 就得。好啦，咁咧the iron cable has 3 wires E and L。咁咧 earth wire、neutral wire 同埋 live wire 啦。So which of these wires is connected to the views？ 咁就係 live wire connect to the views 啦。Suggest why the lamp is safe to use 呢度 safe to use even though its cables only has 2 wires。咁咧得1分，咁咧就唯有估啦。有乜嘢嘅儀器咧係唔需要 earth wire？ 就係因為佢已經有 double insulation 啦，係咪？咁所以咧就係佢個 case 咧 is made up of plastic。就係一個 plastic case。咁咧記住答翻 complete sentence 啦。咁佢可能有一個 plastic case 或者 double insulation 啦。The lamp is switched on for 55 minutes. So calculate the energy transfer in this times。咁死啦，我都唔記得咗啱啱個 table 係乜嘢啦。咁但係咧你就睇翻啱啱個 power 啦，係咪？跟住乘翻55分鐘。咁咧你記得 convert 翻做 seconds 啊。咁就係咁簡單啫。Energy equals to power times time 啊。GCSE 就係咁簡單。OK， 呢個廢嘅自己慢慢睇。Live wire 係啦，因為咧呢個iron 咧有一個 higher current 咁，所以咧佢需要一個 lower resistance 就係咁啦。好，跟住呢個廢話。咁咧第9題咧就係我哋而家學緊嘅，咁因為未學到啦，咁所以咧我哋會將呢一份卷嘅下半部分咧，咁遲啲先再 upload 上嚟嘅。OK，因為其實咧頭8題咧，大概你已經有個 concept 咧，知道呢個 IGCSE 嘅題目應該係點樣答啦。咁首先你睇到題目咧，第一件事就係睇下幾多分，去睇下有幾多個 points。咁同埋咧，即係佢需要嘅 calculation 咧，其實係好簡單嘅，你啱啱都睇到啦。咁佢要你比較勤力啦，咁係有比較多嘢要背嘅。咁譬如啲 renewable energy resource 啦，係咪？咁你要背晒佢啦。咁譬如一啲gas molecules 咧係點樣 create 一個 pressure 啦，咁你要背啦，咁仲有一啲好經典嘅題目咁，譬如點解要攬安全帶啊嗰啲，你慢慢做多啲咧，咁你就會知道啊呢啲我要背晒佢啊，咁咧呢段片就嚟到呢度先啦，因為其實佢仲有成七八題嘅，咁而家40分鐘啦，咁我哋就留翻嗰段片咧，下一次再講啦，咁咧就呢題咁咧俾你睇下，大概